In this video, I will show you how to race against your friends in Monoposto Lite. Many fans love this mobile racing game because it offers a realistic open-wheel experience, but the multiplayer setup can be a bit confusing at first. To start playing with friends, you first need to decide between the local and online modes. Local multiplayer is perfect if you are all on the same network because it has the lowest lag. However, if you are miles apart, the online multiplayer mode is your best bet. A major pro of Monoposto Lite is the smooth physics and authentic car control. One negative point is that the Lite version has limited tracks and car setups compared to the full edition. When setting up a private lobby, make sure everyone has the same version of the app to avoid connection errors. You should communicate your room name and password clearly so your friends can find you in the lobby browser. Once everyone is in, you can adjust the race length and weather to keep things exciting. Now you are ready to hit the track and prove who is the fastest driver among your group.